No, I have not been kicked out of my bed. As a matter of fact, as you can see, I'm still in it. Why then am I clowning in that sleeping bag? The point that I'm trying to make is the connection between my diet, the carnivore diet, of course, and my sleeping. My mother always told me, Maro, do not talk with your mouth full. Now, me, being a good son, I'm going to obey. I live in Africa. I love hiking and camping. But in olden days, it used to be an absolute nightmare being woken up at 2, 3 o'clock in the morning and having to go out and confront the animals. I'm sorry, this was meant to be a nighttime shot, but if I did film it at night, it would take me 3 to 4 times as long to explain what I was up to. In other words, it wasn't Mother Nature that was talking to me, but rather my bladder. I don't ever get hungry, and mainly for that reason, I only eat once, here and there, twice a day. I started to eat carnivore way already about 2 years ago, and the very first thing that I've noticed, only after about a couple of days, that is that I managed to sleep right through the night. The very first time that I knew that I was alive was somewhere around 5 o'clock in the morning, and that was from putting my head down at 9. First thing I noticed that after a while, one by one, all of my internal organs stopped talking to me. There was no pain coming from my lower back. There was no stabbing from anywhere. There was no burning coming up. Nothing but pleasure. What about the herbs and spices? Do I use them? When do I use them? How do I use them? Do I need them? Find out from me in my next video.